Hello and welcome to the third tutorial video in our three-part tutorial series on how to use ROBOTIS' DYNAMIXEL SDK with MathWorks' MATLAB software. In this episode, we will be running the read-write MATLAB example using multi-port control. In this example, 2 ports, meaning that we will have 2 USB to DYNAMIXELs and 2 DYNAMIXELs. It's useful to use multi-port control when you want to control DYNAMIXELs with different network interfaces, i.e. a TTL DYNAMIXEL and an RS-485 DYNAMIXEL. In this example, we'll be using 2 TTL DYNAMIXELs just to demonstrate functionality. Open the multiport.m file by clicking on Browse for Folder and selecting the MATLAB folder located in the main DYNAMIXEL SDK directory. In the current folder window, expand the Protocol 1.0 folder and double-click on multiport.m to access the source. The reason we're choosing Protocol 1.0 is because we're utilizing 2 MX28 DYNAMIXELs for this demonstration. Remember that the MX series DYNAMIXELs are governed by Communication Protocol 1.0. Please review the e-manual for more details about this. In the source code, confirm that the values under Control Table Address and Default Setting match your DYNAMIXEL's settings. In this example, I'm using 2 MX28s, so I will not be changing the Control Table Address values. Additionally, the MX28s have IDs of 1 and 2, and baud rates of 1 Mbps respectively, so I will not be changing these values either. To check the USB to DYNAMIXEL's COM port numbers, go to Windows Device Manager, expand the ports, COM, and LPT tree, and search for USB serial port. As you can see, the USB to DYNAMIXEL's COM port numbers are 3 and 8. Go back to the source code and change the value of device name 1 to COM8 and device name 2 to COM3. Make sure that the DYNAMIXEL ID corresponds with the device name. In this case, the MX28 with ID 1 is connected to device name 1, which has a COM port number of 8, while the MX28 with ID 2 is connected to device name 2, which has a COM port number of 3. This information was determined when I initially changed the IDs and baud rates of each DYNAMIXEL in DYNAMIXEL Wizard. Please refer to Episode 2 of the DYNAMIXEL SDK Quick Start Guide tutorial video series for hardware setup procedures. Now you are ready to run the example. Click Run in the Editor tab. The command window will let you know that you have successfully established the connection with the DYNAMIXELs. Keep your eyes on the blue tape on the DYNAMIXELs. If I press any key, the DYNAMIXELs move from present position 4000 to goal position 100, or vice versa, and the program prints the present position values to the screen. Every time I press any key, it does the same thing. Congratulations! You have learned how to set up DYNAMIXEL in MATLAB and run 2 simple examples, including single and multi-port examples. Now it's your turn to make something awesome with DYNAMIXEL. As a reminder, if you have any questions, comments, or feedback about the DYNAMIXEL SDK, please upload your issue to the Issues section on GitHub. Make sure to see if your issue has already been addressed under Closed Issues. If you have any non-SDK related questions, please email cs@robotis.com, that is C us@robotis.com if you're in the North or South American regions, or contact us2@robotis.com, that is contact us the number 2@robotis.com if you're anywhere else. And don't forget to check out the technical support manual at support.robotis.com. Thanks for watching!